Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove group chat within the Among Us game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your game on your device, and once it is opened up, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you will end up within the main menu, from which you can directly start playing various different game modes. However, if you wish to disable a quick chat from your game, first of all tap on the settings option. From the settings page, you will find the censor chat button. Make sure that this is turned on, and then go back to your game by tapping on play. Now, before starting whichever game you want to play, you will find the chat type option before the game starts. Just tap on the chat type menu and make sure you select free chat. Once you do this, you can tap on the confirm button and then start your game. And then you will notice that the quick chat feature has been removed from your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove quick chat from your game on Among Us. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.